Hello, this is a video showcasing my sample pack business in the Techno library. Now that I've downloaded the packs, this is the folder containing all of the sounds, the Techno library. So here we have the Bouncy Hard Trance Pack Volume 1. If I click into sample pack, we have drum loops, 7 there, drums, we have claps, closed hats, kicks, open hats. There's 10 of each in each one. Effects, we've got downlifters, impacts, risers. All of these you can just drag and drop into your files like so. And next I'll go into the serum preset I created for the pack. There we go. Packs, the Techno library, Bouncy Hard Trance Pack Volume 1 presets. So I'll just go through a few of these.